Hello everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today we're talking about something really important to all you beginners out there, common mistakes to avoid. Let's get started. First up, poor posture. Super common for beginners to slouch or sit in uncomfortable positions while playing the guitar. This can lead to strain and even injury over time. Make sure you're sitting up straight with your feet flat on the ground. Your shoulders should be relaxed and the guitar should feel comfortable in your hands. Next is incorrect hand positioning. It's crucial to have your fingers curved and your thumb positioned right behind the neck of the guitar. Many beginners tend to press too hard down on the strings or use the wrong part of their fingers, which can make it harder to play. Speaking of which, pressing too hard on the strings is another common mistake. You only need to press down hard enough to make a clean sound. Pressing too hard can tire your fingers quickly and even hurt over time. So practice finding the right amount of pressure needed to play easily. Another common mistake is neglecting to tune your guitar frequently. An out-of-tune guitar will make everything you play sound off, no matter how well you're practicing. Make it a habit to tune your guitar every time before you start practicing. Trust me, your ears will thank you. And finally, not practicing consistently. Learning guitar is all about building muscle memory, and that takes regular practice. Set aside dedicated time each day or a few times a week to practice. Consistency is key to improving and becoming a better guitarist. One more tip, get feedback from a teacher or an experienced player. They can spot mistakes you might not notice or help correct them early on. Plus, they can provide valuable tips and techniques to accelerate your learning. That's all for today's video on common mistakes beginners guitarists make. Remember, everyone makes mistakes when they're starting out, so don't get discouraged. Keep practicing and enjoy the journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments what other topics you would like us to cover. See you in the next video.